Well, I'm here at the Matrox stand here at NAB 2017. This is one of 3 videos that we've done here, so don't forget to check out the other 2. I've got Dan Maloney with me. Hi, Dan.
Good to see you again.
Yeah.
Another year.
Another year, here we are. And we're talking about the Matrox Monarch range. Tell us a bit about what's new with this.
Sure. So, our 4th NAB now with the Monarch range of product. We introduced the new Monarch virtually every year, including last year with the new Monarch LCS. So HD, HDX, LCS, and all of them got a revamp, an upgrade of firmware, and we're trying to showcase some of that at the show today. Starting with the HD and HDX, we have some native integration with some of the social media platforms, YouTube Live, Facebook Live. Really, they have quite a big presence here at the show as well. Facebook and YouTube have been here a few times. Also to understand how we can work together to reach this increasingly important platform. With the HDX, we've included closed captioning support. That's very important because July 2017 in the United States, there's a deadline where all live stream content, if it's on air, must have closed caption online as well. So an easy way for broadcasts to go from on air to online and still comply with the regulations. And finally, the LCS, which is where we probably put the most new features, primarily relating surrounding the tight integration with a number of online video platforms, and in adding features like scheduling, store and forward capability, SFTP forwarding up into the cloud, and integrating with the likes of Kaltura, Ensemble Design, Presentations to Go, StreamShark, TechSmith. We're able to really provide schools a lot of options, and at the price point of $24.95, we really want to make every classroom a lecture capture classroom. So HD $9.95. HDX at $19.95 and $24.95 for the LCS. All the information is on our website. You can go to matrox.com/video and really, I think everything there is for you to see.
Fantastic, Dan. And as far as availability of the firmware upgrades?
All the firmware upgrades are now available online, except for the YouTube Live and Facebook's Live, which we're demoing here at the show. That'll happen in a number of weeks. We're talking about a matter of weeks. LCS, all the integrations are already online with our 1.1.4 availability, our firmware versions, as well as the HDX 1.1.4 firmware versions.
Brilliant, Dan. Thank you very much. Well, you want to find out more information about the Monarch range, go and have a look at the website. As Dan said, it's all there for you. And don't forget to check out the other 2 videos that we've done here at the Matrox stand. For even more, of course, check our website out, kitplus.com.